Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay yourself like a boss. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start setting themselves up with payroll, but also want to save money on taxes. Keep in mind though that this video shouldn't be construed as financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. Now, before we actually go and get started, it's very important that you understand the distinction between LLC, sole proprietorship, and S corporation election. So the LLC is able to protect your personal assets, meaning that if your business goes bankrupt or if your business gets sued, you're protected under your LLC. They're not going to come after your personal assets. Whereas a sole proprietorship, there's no distinction between personal and business assets. With an S corporation election, this is available for LLCs and corporations, and there's a potential for reduced self-employment taxes. With an S corporation, your income is essentially split into two, a salary and then dividends. So your tax savings if LLC profits exceed $40,000 to $50,000. So just as a quick example here, if you're a solo business owner with an LLC with a net profit of $100,000, okay, if you file as a sole proprietorship, your entire $100,000 is subject to around 15% self-employment tax, which means that you'll pay around $15,000 in taxes. If you file as an S corporation though, $60,000 can be sent to you as a reasonable salary and $40,000 as dividends. So the salary subject to self-employment tax is only $9,000 in this example, and the dividend portion is not subject to self-employment tax, which means that $15,000 compared to $9,000, you'll essentially save around $6,000 in self-employment tax savings. So keep in mind that with this scenario here, you do need to set up payroll for yourself to pay yourself this $60,000. And in order to do that, I would recommend using Gusto. So Gusto is a payroll HR benefits tool. It's very easy to use. I've been using it for the past 4 years and it's absolutely fantastic. So with Gusto, if you use my link down below in the description, you'll get $100 through a Visa gift card once you run your first payroll. So once you click on that link down below, just simply click on create an account and then you're going to reach this page here. So you just need to simply fill out your first name, last name, work email, company name, number of employees, and set a password. So once you get that set up, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So you just need to follow the prompts here. So who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? Click on myself. How does your company currently run payroll? We're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no? Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no? In which US states do you work? So select the state. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no? What industry are you in? So you would just click on this toggle menu and then select the industry that closely matches yours. Is your company a cannabis related business? So yes or no? Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? Yes or no? What's your desired first payday with Gusto? So you can input a date here and then change it later. So it doesn't have to be exact, so you can edit it later and then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, you're going to be recommended a package. I have this package here, which is the simple plan on Gusto, and it's only $46 a month, okay? And with this plan, you're able to run unlimited payrolls. At the end of every year, you can get your W-2s or 1099s. You could also get basic insights and reporting and also get support from Gusto. So in my case, I've contacted Gusto a few times and they've been absolutely phenomenal even though I was on the simple plan. Next, click on confirm and set up. Now, once you click on confirm and set up, there's 2 more things that you need to do, potentially 3 if you're in a particular state. The first thing you need to do is set up your payroll timeline. So on the left-hand side under pay, click on run payroll and then click on continue under where it says add payroll details. So once you click on add payroll details, you just need to fill out your address, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, and your pay schedule, and then sign. So it's a lot of prompts there. Just simply fill it out. Afterwards, go back to run payroll and then under create your own profile, click on continue. This is where we're going to enter our employment details. So it's going to say create your own profile. You just need to fill out some basic information. And then under compensation, you need to input your job title, your employee type, and the amount that you want to be paid per year. So this can all be changed whenever you want, but just click on save and continue, and then it'll prompt you to set up more employee info, tax elections, and payment. Now, depending on which state you're in, you might need to share some state tax details. So that varies from case by case, but that right there, everyone, is essentially how to pay yourself like a boss. If you pay yourself through an S corporation election, you will probably save money on taxes if your business is profitable enough. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below, and once you run your first payroll, you'll get $100 for free. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.